Hey everybody, it's Michael Colomb with Travels with Michael, and it's time for November's 2023 unboxing of Bespoke Post. And this month I ordered, it's called GALE, G-A-L-E, and it says here it's a handy, stylish sweater just in time for cooler weather. Which is interesting because I'm getting ready to fly out to El Salvador tomorrow for Thanksgiving, and it is not cold there, so I will not be able to use it until I come back. But it's okay because I usually go to the mountains, and I usually go to the cabin during the Christmas break, so I can use it then. But anyways, it just came in the bag. Bespoke Post. I got it in size, I don't know here, probably large or extra large because I'm kind of broad, but and I got it in the I have to look. I think I got it in midnight. I think this is the color I got it. I can tell you right now. Hold on. Yeah, I got it in midnight and a large. So that's what I got. So I'm just gonna open it real quick. I think this is gonna be a simple, easy one because it's just a sweater. So I don't think that it comes with anything else. So it's gonna be easy peasy, fresh and easy. I'm just gonna do it here. Oh yeah, just there's a few things in here. Couple nice piece of paper. Okay. Nada. Totally empty. Okay. Oh, they're talking about Black Friday. That's not me. Okay. Yeah, see, it's just in the nice bag. I mean, it looks nice, and I need a nice new sweater because I do wear them. Oh, I love it. It's beautiful. What a nice color. I'm glad I got it in this just paper. Yeah, it's just a nice, simple sweater. Nicely made. Not a crew neck. It just goes, but I like the color. It's sort of like a, yeah, it's midnight, so it's sort of a bluish. Not like blue, but it looks like a dark turquoise. Like it's kind of got a turquoise feel to it. Very soft. Oh, I like this. I'll probably wear it regardless, just because it might be nice at night. Oh, look, and then on the, it's got these elbow things that make you look like you're a professor. Right, like they do on suit jackets. That's kind of nice. Those feel very corduroy, maybe suede. It doesn't say. Oh, anyways, this is a cute one. This is nice. I figure it's perfect to get something like this because, you know, like I said, winter's coming. I mean, even though I live in LA, it's been so warm. It's going to be like 80 again today. But the other day it rained and I was on set and it was raining. It was very cold, so that would have come in handy. So I'm glad it came. And yeah, I mean, just a simple one today. It's nice and simple. I'm glad it came in so I could do it before I go out of town, so you guys could see it. So yeah, that's this month's unboxing for Bespoke Post. A very simple video, so let me know what you guys think. Again, thank you for checking out my channel. I'll be traveling to El Salvador soon, so I should be posting travel videos on my TikTok and my YouTube and my Instagram. So I'll see you then. Thank you, everybody. This is Michael Colomb with Travels with Michael, and I will see you on your next adventure.